The lack of human resources in the occupational health and safety arm of the Ministry of Labor has resulted in the non-compliance of that crucial aspect of the labor laws by various companies from both the private and public sectors. Consequently, in 2020, a total of 32 people died as a result of work-related accidents. Additionally, 7 out of 12 deaths recorded from August to December 2020 were due to mishaps at mining sites. For the year so far, there have been 4 fatalities. The most recent fatality was a 32-year-old Mark Gomes of Long Pond Sister Village, West Bank, Demerara, an employee of Edward Bihari and Company Limited, who died after receiving a hit in the face by pressurized air after he went to investigate whistling sounds from a pressure tank. Minister of Labor Joseph Hamilton, during an exclusive interview with Nightly News on Tuesday, highlighted that with a mere 9 occupational health and safety officers currently employed at the ministry, it is impossible for there to be adequate supervision at the work sites in the country to ensure the right policies are in place to protect workers on duty. As such, the ministry is in the process of employing 2 additional occupational health and safety officers for each region.
The Occupation Safety and Health Officers Corps would increase from 9 to 30. So it will triple the amount of OSH officers. And my intention is to put 2 in every region outside of Region 4. And Region 4, we will subdivide it into 3 sub-districts: Georgetown, East Coast, East Bank. And we will place officers there.
Hamilton divulged that in the past, occupational health and safety officers electively enforced the regulations at some private sector agencies, a practice that has to stop.
Public officers, they believe that the only people they should supervise and superintend with the law is private sector. So they could go to GT&T and tell them what labor law they're breaching, what OSH law they're breaching. Well, up the road, GGMC or the Ministry of Health might be doing worse. And nobody ain't going to the PS. I'm not saying they're doing the point I'm making.
When questioned on the ministry's remedies for addressing delinquent companies in relation to occupational health and safety, Hamilton conveyed that the officers have approached several companies to advise on the establishment of an occupational health and safety committee, and they will be given a deadline. He said that the new officers will be recruited and trained by the end of March. The Occupational Health and Safety Department of the ministry is preparing to launch a Safe Work campaign in April of this year in observance of the Occupational Health and Safety Month. The campaign aims to edify both employees and employers on the importance of occupational health and the consequences for breaches. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGP Nightly News.